Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Disconnect the two fan cables from the connectors on the system board. Remove the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure each fan to the system board. Note: the heatsink assembly has numbers adjacent to the following 6 screws. Loosen the 6 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink assembly over the processor components in numerical order. Note: due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease and thermal pads located between the heatsink and the processor components, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the system board. Remove the heatsink assembly from the system board. Reverse this procedure to install the heatsink assembly.